Hello and welcome to my video for installing Ubuntu 18.04. In this video we are going to go and download the Ubuntu distribution. We're going to install it to the computer and then we are going to customize it with certain tweaks, etc. that don't come with the standard distribution. So let's get started. Let's go to the search bar. Let's type in Ubuntu. Go to ubuntu.com and click on desktop at the top, click on download Ubuntu, click on download, and it should pop up with a download. Click on save file and OK. If for any reason this doesn't pop up, there is this download now. Click that and it should refresh it and download it again. So let's go ahead, press OK. Now that's downloading. We'll give this a minute, wait for it to download, and then I'll come back and we'll start installing it to the computer. Okay, now that download's finished. Next thing we need to do is to burn the ISO image to some kind of media to put in our computer and install it. I would recommend using a USB thumb drive purely because it's quicker, easier, and you can reuse it whenever you like. Alternatively, you can burn it to a DVD-ROM using any kind of burn software, but it's up to you. But in this example, I'm going to burn it using a program called Etcher, which is this one here. Fantastic bit of kit, works really well, and it's really easy to use. So I'm using a Linux 64-bit, but they do have Windows 64, 32-bit, and also a Mac OS image there as well. So go ahead and download that, and we'll come back when that's finished downloading. Okay, now that Etcher is downloaded, install the program, start it, and then you need to add your image. So go to your downloads folder or wherever you've put it, add the image, pick the thumb drive that you want to install it to, and click flash. And then once that's finished flashing, we'll come back and we'll crack on with installing it to the computer. Okay. Now the USB thumb drive is installed in the computer. Press the power button and wait for the computer to boot from the thumb drive. Once it's booted, it will go into the install screen. Select Install Ubuntu. English UK, English UK. Obviously, if it's different for you, select the different keyboard layout, normal installation, download updates, install third party, continue. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Continue. Pick your locale. Mine's the UK, so it's going to be London. Continue. Pick a username. And a password. Select to log in automatically or require a password to log in. I'm going to pick login automatically and continue. Then we just need to wait for this to finish. Once it's finished, we'll come back and carry on. Okay, so the installation's finished. We'll just click the restart button now, and then it'll bring us back to the desktop in a moment. Now Ubuntu's booting up into our new installation. And there we go. It's a welcome screen with just a quick tutorial on what's available. And we're done. Okay, next let's go to the updates. Make sure that everything's up to date on the computer. That's the middle one here. Since the distribution was released, there may have been updates that have been released since then. This will go and fetch them, install them, and bring your computer up to date. So here we can see we do have updates that need doing. Click install now. Put in your password. And we'll come back when that's finished. Now the updates are complete. It's asking us to restart, so let's restart now. Okay, so that is the install of Ubuntu finished. It's now a working operating system. You've got web browsers, email client, File Explorer, music players, Office Suite, Ubuntu Software Center, so you can go and find any other software that you want. And that's it really. So thank you very much for watching and enjoy.